Read the following scenario and answer the 3 questions that follow. The following plot describes the height in centimeter, here weight in kg, age in years as per the size of the circle, and gender, F for female, M for male, blue and the red one, of 20 patients visiting a hospital. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 3. 20 patients in total. A person's body mass index is calculated as weight in kg divided by squared height measured in square meters. Okay, height we need to convert in meters. Weight upon height square, height is in meter. This will be the body mass index, BMI. For example, a person weighing 100 kg and height 1 centimeter or 1 meter will have a BMI of 100. 100 upon 1 square is 100. A person with BMI less than or equal to 18.5 is considered as underweight. Above 18.5 but less than or equal to 25, normal weight. Above 25 but less than or equal to 30 as overweight, and above 30 as obese. Okay, so I hope this graph is clear, that all the biggest circle that you see, like this female, this blue dot denotes that this is a female with age of 80 years, weight is a little over 40, we can say 41, and height 150 centimeters. That's it. So let's try the questions. The average age of the female patients who weigh 50 kg or above is approximately 50 kg or above. So let's put 50 kg barrier here. All the females, so we are talking about blue dots, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. So there are 5 females with the weight 50 kg or above. So average age, what is the age? So age is depending on the size of the circle. This circle is the smallest one, this denotes 50 years of age. Then the second one is this one is also 50. This one, third one, which is 70, plus this fourth one is I guess same as this one, right? Little smaller than that, so that will be 60. And the last one is the highest, which is 80 divided by 5. This will be equal to 100, 170 plus 140, 310 upon 5, which is equal to 62. That's the average we are looking for, which is option A. Next one, the highest BMI among all patients is approximately. What is BMI? BMI depends on weight upon height square, right? So what do we want to do here? If I want to find highest BMI, we should look for maximum weight and we should look for minimum height, right? If we look for maximum weight, where do we see? Maximum weight we see here, right? This is the maximum weight, and this weight will be, this is 70, 75, we can take this 77, right? So in that case, the BMI will be equal to 77 divided by, and in that case, the height is 170 in meters, 1.7. So this will be 1.7 square. That is equal to 77 upon 2.89. 77 upon 2.89. If we divide this, 289 into 3 is equal to, so 29 into 3 is 870. Okay, this value is basically, so we can take this 29 and solve, right? We can take this 2.9. So 58, 29 into 2 is 58. Carry 19, 190, 29 into 6. So 26 is 174, 16 left, 160. So 29 into 5, 145. This is 29.5 something, right? Then the next highest is this one, right? We can ignore all of these because these are of lower weight, and equal or higher height, yes. So we can discard with respect to this. Now with respect to this, what we can say, this one is much better because the weight is bigger and height is lesser. So we can discard this. We can discard all these because in all of these height is same, weight is bigger here. Now we will have to check this one as well, but let's check this one first. So in second case, what will be the BMI? This we can take 68 or 69, right? Let's take 69 divided by height is 160, that is 1.6 square, which is 69 upon 2.56. If I take this approximately 2.5, then if I divide this 2 times and 50, 19, 19, so it will be 69 upon 2.56. Okay, so 512, this will give us 178. 25 into 7 is 175. So this is approximate 27, right? This is approximate 27. And then in this case, we can check this one. So in the third, BMI will be equal to, so 55, 56 we can take this, or maybe 57. 56 divided by 1.5 whole square, that is 2.25. So this will give us 56 upon 2.25, or 2.25 into 2, 450, carry 110. This is very much less than 25, right? This is approximate, even with this is approximate 25, I am not sure, but this is definitely less than 27. So it says the highest BMI among them is close to option B, which is 27. I would like to use a little bit of calculator because I guess, okay, 26 is not here, so there is no chance. But just to confirm the calculation, 77 divided by 2.89 is 2.6.64, this is 26.64. 69 divided by 2.56 is 26.95, which is approximate 27. 56 divided by 2.25 is 24.88, which is approximate 25. Okay, all good. Answer is option B. The BMI of the oldest person considered as normal weight is approximately. For normal weight, what is the BMI? It's greater than 18, but less than equal to 25, I guess, right? This is the BMI of the normal weight. The BMI of the oldest person considered as normal weight is approximately. So oldest person, this largest circle, how many largest circle are there? Let's see. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, these 3, right? If I check the BMI of this person, so what will be the BMI of this female? BMI is equal to, weight is 61 divided by, this is 175, so 1.75 square. Again, very calculative. So I would like to use calculator here, although when this question was given, there was no calculator in XAT, but now as they have given calculator, we can certainly use this. This is approximate 19.9, or we can take this as 20 as integer value. Now this 20 falls within this range, right? So definitely this is our answer, but let's check for this one as well. But in this one, the weight is less, the height is same, so this value is definitely going up. And it doesn't say minimum or maximum, but if you take, this will be 46 divided by 1.75 square. 46 is 75% of 61 something, right? 75% of 20 will be 50. So this is underweight, right? This is underweight. And in this case as well, 41 divided by 2.25. 41 divided by 2.25 is equal to 18 point something, right? This is 14, yes, but it says the BMI of the oldest person considered. So our answer is option B, which is 20, and that's your answer. I think this is 18 point something, but now I remember it was 18.5, right? And this value that I got is 18.2 something. So this is not possible, this is not possible, this is underweight, and this is also underweight. So correct answer is option B, which is 20. And yes, That was the last question of this set. Little tricky set, but it's a good set to solve during the exam. A company awards incentives to its employees for successful project performances. It rates successful project performance in categories A star, A, B and C. Employees in solo projects rated A star, A, B and C are awarded incentives 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 1 lakh respectively. For A star, you are getting 6 lakhs. For A, 5 lakhs, for B, 3 lakhs and for C, 1 lakh respectively. When a project has multiple team members, means more than one, the following scheme is used to reward the incentive. This is the scheme that is used to reward the incentives. If number of team member is 1, they are getting 100%, which is solo project. Number of team member is equal to 2. Then whatever is the incentive, that depends on the project, right? Project performance, A star, A, B and C. So if there are 2-member team in a project and the project is getting A star performance, the team leader is going to get 90% and the rest is going to get 70%. So 90 plus 70, that is 160% of the total. Means if the performance is A star, 6 into 1.6, this is nothing but 1.6 times. 1.6 into 6, both the team members together are going to get 9.6 lakhs. If the performance is A, level A, 1.6 into 5, they are going to get 8 lakhs. If the performance is B, they are going to get 1.6 into 3, 4.8 lakhs. If the performance level is C, they are going to get 1 into 1.6, 1.6 lakhs. Then, if there are 3 team members, one of them is getting 80, rest 2 are getting 50. So total 80 plus 50 plus 50, that is equal to 180% of whatever is the solo performance incentive. So 180% means 1.8 times, right? Then if there are 4 team members, the team leader will get 70%, rest 3 will get 40%. 40, 40, 40. That is 120 plus 70. That is 190, right? They are going to get 1.9 times 70. Team leader gets 70, 1.9, that is 190%, and that should be equal to 1.9 times. Okay, if there are 4 team members. Then if there are more than 4 team members, how much they are going to get? Every team member get 200 by n%, no team leader, where n is the number of team members. So total payout will be equal to, each member is getting 200 by n%. This will be equal to 200%. So in this case, if number of team members is equal to greater than 4, they are going to get 200% or 2 times exactly of whatever incentive is given. All right. Now some information is given. Example is given as well for a example for a project rated A with 3 team members. Rated A means 5 lakhs. The team leader gets 80%. 80% of 5 lakh is 4 lakhs, which is given here, and the other team member gets 2.5 lakhs each, 50% of 5 lakhs. So 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, right? Two members will get 2.5, that is 5 lakhs plus 4 lakhs, 9 lakhs. 1.8 times of 5 lakhs is 9 lakhs. Okay, so it makes sense. Then it says a project always has a single team lead. 6 employees, Altaf, Bose, Chakravarti, Deepa, Arni and Fatima receive a total of 45 lakhs in incentive by participating in a total 8 different projects that does not involve any other person. Only these 6 employees. Not all 6 employees are involved in all 8 projects. Okay. The following are additionally known about the 8 projects. What is given? So it says one project involved all 6. So we have 8 projects. Project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4, project 5, project 6, project 7 and project 8. these are 8 projects. And it says that one project involves all 6 employees. So one of the projects have all the 6 employees, right? 4 projects involve 3 each. So 4 projects involve 3 each, like this. Exactly 3 projects are rated C, and rest of the project have 2 members. So 2, 2 and 2. Okay. Exactly 3 projects are rated C, 3 projects rated C, and which total 4.8 lakhs is paid. Only one project is rated A. So we know that out of these A, we have one A star, then we have C, C, C. Rest of them could be A or B. Rest of the 4 project A or B. This will be the situation. This is the categories of incentives. Okay. Now what do we know? If there are team members, 2 team members. If there are 2 team members, they are going to get 1.6 times. They are going to get 1.6 times of the total. If there are 3 members, they are going to get 1.8 times. So these are going to get 1.8 times of whatever the incentive is. And there are 6 members, they are going to get 2 times, right? This is the multiplier. Multiplier with respect to the incentive, with respect to the performance incentive. That could be 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. What was the values, guys? 6, 5, 3 and 1. We have 6, 5, 3 and 1. Okay. And the total is 45 lakhs. Okay. So where do we start? One thing that we can start, that see, the minimum incentive is 1 lakh, right? And the minimum multiplier is 1.6. So any of these projects, minimum incentive given to all the employees will be 1.6 minimum into 1. That is equal to 1.6 lakhs, right? So can I say 1.6, 1.6 and 1.6? Even if we take 3 minimum, it becomes 4.8 lakhs, this one. No other values are possible. All of these projects are given rating C, correct? Rating, yes, successful. So let's write down this rating here. Rating. It cannot be anything else. All the projects which were rated C, the total incentives given is 4.8 lakhs. That is only possible when all of these are given 1.6 lakhs, 1.6 lakhs and 1.6 lakhs. That's it. Now rest, what can we say? One of these is A star. One of these is A star, and other could be anything else, right? Other could be A or B, B or A. So what we can say about A star, if this project is A star, okay, rest of them could be A or B, right? A or B, A or B, A or B. And what will be the total amount? Let's see. So for A star, they are going to get paid 6 lakhs. For this, they are going to paid 5 or 3, 5 or 3, 5 or 3, 5 or 3. What will be the total payment? 6 into 2, 12 lakhs, right? And then 5 into 1.8, that is equal to 9 or 5.4. 9 or 5.4, 9 or 5.4, 9 or 5.4. Already we have 4.8. So first let's subtract this. We already have the amounts here, which is 1.6 lakhs, 1.6 lakhs, 1.6 lakhs. This total should be 45. So if I subtract this 45 minus 4.8, we are going to get 40.2 lakhs. Now how can we achieve 40.2? Let's see. So if I take all of them minimum, it will become 21.6. 20, this, 21.6 plus 12. 21.6 plus 12 is equal to 33.6. What's the difference from here? The difference from here is 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 39 minus 33 is 6. The difference is 6.6. How can we manage that difference? Instead of this, if I take this, So instead of 5.4, if you are taking 9, then the difference it will cover is 3.6. So if you take one difference, it will cover 3.6. If you take two difference, it will cover 7.2, but it will never cover 6.6, right? So A star cannot be here, cannot be. This 6 team members project performance is not rated A star because this is not possible. So let's forget about this, because if you take this combination, it can never be 50, sorry, it can never be total 45 lakhs. So one of these is A star and rest of them is A or B. Now it does not matter whichever of these is A star, right? Rest of them could be A, B, B, A, B. So A, B, A, B, A, B. Now, what will be the total amount paid? Now, in case of this 1.8 times of 6, this will be 10.8 times. In case of this 1.8 times of 5, that is 9 lakhs or 5.4 lakhs. Again, 9 or 5.4, 9 or 5.4. But in this one, it will be 18 or 6, right? Now, we need to find combination where, now we know this for sure that this A star rated team had 3 members for sure. Rest we need to figure out this. So what combination? So already we have 40.2. If I subtract 40.2 minus 10.8, this gives us what? So if it was 10.2, it would be 30. 0.6 less than that, so 29.4. How can we achieve 29.4 from here? If I am taking, how did I took this 18 2 times? This 18, no, this should be 10, right? 5 lakhs or 3 lakhs. So this should be 10. This should be 10. Now total sum of 4 values from this should be 29.4. How can we take that 29.4? See, if I take 10 here, then 5, 5, 5, 15, 16.2. I'm not going to achieve 29.4 because 16.2 plus 10, 26.2. 26.2, the difference is 3.2. No, we will have to check another combination. 999, 27 plus 6 is 37, not possible. Means all of them are 5.4, no. All of them 9, no. So we will have to check 2 of them this and 1 of them. So 18 plus 5.4. 18 plus 5.4 is equal to 23.4 plus 6 is 29.4. That's it. That's the possible combination. If I am taking 5.4 twice 10.8 and 1 9, 10.8 and 9, 19.8, then it does not matter whichever you take, you are not going to get 29.4. So that means 2 of these projects is 9, right? And 1 of them is 5.4. 1 second. 9, 9, 5.4 and 6. 11.4 and 18, 29.4. Now everything makes sense, right? So we got it. In this case, what can we say? This is 3 lakhs. So B rating, 5.4, that is 3 into 1.8, B rating, A rating, A rating. So B, A, B, B, A, and that's it. So let's solve the questions now. What best is known about the team composition for the project rated C? 2-member team. All the projects rated C were 2-member team. What is best known about the team composition for the project rated A star? Project rated A star, it's a 3-member team. All are 3-member team, right? Only one project was rated A star. Total amount of money paid for projects rated A. Rated A, total amount of money, projects rated A. This one and this one. So 9 plus 9, it will be 18, which is option D. And that's it. Phew, lots of calculation, lots of possibility, right? It was an amazing set to practice. but I won't like this set during exam. So I hope you understood the solution, and if similar type of sets is given or similar type of situation is given, try to work on the cases. Okay, even if it takes 10 to 12 minutes or maybe 15 minutes to solve these kind of sets, the marks that you are getting will be worth it. Okay, thank you. A quick survey at the end of a purchase at buyagain.com. Ask the following 3 questions to each shopper. What are those questions? Are you shopping at the website for the first time? Yes or no? Specify your gender, male or female. How satisfied are you? Happy, neutral or unhappy? 240 shoppers answered the survey, among whom 65 are first time shoppers. So what do we have? We have male, we have female. Those males who are shopping for the first time and not shopping for the first time. Female shopping for the first time, not shopping for the second time. And then out of all these, we have happy, unhappy and neutral shoppers. So these type of tables requirement is very popular these days. They have asked such sets where you need to draw these type of tables again and again. So this is how we need to create the table where we can put all the values: male, yes, no; female, yes, no; happy, neutral, unhappy. Then it says 240 shoppers answer the survey. Total is 240. The ratio of number of male to female shoppers is 1:2. If male is X, female is 2X. Total 3X. 3X is equal to 240. So X is equal to 80. Number of male shoppers is 80. Number of female shoppers is 160. While the ratio of numbers of unhappy, happy and neutral shoppers is 3:4:5. 3A, 4A, 5A. Total 12A. 12A is equal to 240. Meaning A is equal to 20. So unhappy customers, it's 60. Happy customers, 4 into 20, that is equal to 80. And neutral customers is 100. The ratio of numbers of happy first time male shoppers, happy returning male shoppers, unhappy female shoppers, neutral male shoppers, neutral female shoppers and happy female shoppers is 1:1:4:4:6:6. Okay. So we need to use the ratio. The ratio of number of happy first time customers. Happy first time means yes, male customers if this is A. Then we have happy returning male customers. Customers who answered no for the question, are you shopping for the first time? This one, this is also A. Unhappy female shoppers. Unhappy female shoppers. This whole. This is, so 1 AA, this will be 4A. Then neutral male shoppers. Neutral male shoppers. This is also 4A. Okay. Then we have neutral female shoppers, that will be 6. So this is 6A. Total I am taking 6A. And happy female shoppers, that is also 6A. All right. So what do we know? A plus 6A, total 8A. 8A is equal to 80, that means A is equal to 10. Meaning this value is 10, this value is 10, this is 60, 60 and 40, which is 160. It makes sense. Now 10, 10, this is 40, 20. So what's left here? Sum of these two should be equal to 40 plus 20, which is equal to 60. So this should be 20, right? Okay. Now, one thing is also given here that we missed, among whom 65 are first time shoppers. First time shoppers 65. This plus this is 65. Then it says among the first time shoppers, the ratio of number of happy male. First time shoppers, number of happy male, which is 10. Neutral male and unhappy female, and the remaining female shoppers is 1:1:1:2. So 1 is 10 basically. So 10, 10, 10 and 20, right? So the ratio of number of happy male, yes, this is 10. Neutral male, this is also 10. Out of all the first time shoppers, unhappy female and first time. So 1:1:1, this is also 10. And the remaining female shoppers of the first timer, means sum of these two. This is 20. Okay. Well, the number of happy first time female shoppers is equal to the number of unhappy first time male shoppers. If this value is B, this value is also B. Number of happy first time female shoppers is equal to the number of unhappy first time female shoppers, B and B. Now what do we know? How do we break this? So we know that total sum of this and this is 65 according to this. First timer is 65. 20 plus 10, this is 30. If this is 30, this must be 35. If this is 35, this must be 45. And this is 30, this must be 130, right? So 10 plus 10 is 20. That means B must be 15. If this is 15, this must be 5. If this is 10, this must be 30 because 4 is 40. And if this is 15, this must also be 15 and this will be 5. And if this is 10, total is 40, this must be 30. 60 minus 5, this must be 55. If this is 15, 60 minus 15 is 45. So 10 plus 10 plus 15, 35 plus 45, 80. 40 plus 60, 80. 20 plus 40, 60. Everything is good. So let's solve the questions. What is the number of happy male shoppers? Happy male shoppers. 10 plus 10. It's 20. Option D. Which among the following is the lowest? Number of unhappy first time female shoppers. Unhappy first time female shoppers, that is 10. Number of neutral first time female shoppers. Number of neutral first time female shoppers, that is 5. And 5 is the lowest value that you can see in all of these boxes. Definitely this should be our correct answer. Although we check the rest. Number of neutral first time male shoppers, that is 10. Number of happy returning male shoppers, that is also 10. Number of unhappy first time male shoppers, that is 50. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 27. Which among the following cannot be determined uniquely? All the values can be determined uniquely, right? So all the numbers can be determined uniquely. And that's the end of this set. If you draw the table, the proper table in this set, then it's very easy, right? You can solve it within 6 to 7 minutes. That's it.